Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. I was just sent this really cool idea. It's an outdoor wash basin that is actually made from solid wood and a 304 stainless steel top, which is super cool, so it should make this very durable. I'm going to go ahead and show you a quick installation of how to put this cart together. They did, of course, send some nice instructions that are very detailed, and then we will go outside and we'll get this hooked up to a water supply and kind of show you how it works. So here I've got it outside, this 304 stainless steel top. This measures about 32 inches by about 39 inches. Solid wood. Really like the fact that this is good solid wood on here. Doors function with that magnet feature, which is very nice, and do have lots of area underneath here. These are removable, which is also a nice feature there. I've got this hooked up to a garden hose over here. You gonna turn this on for me? Other way. So if you're outside, you can use this, wash your hands, use it for prep. You can prep stuff over here, rinse stuff off. It's got a nice strainer basket here, which is nice to catch anything that's going to be going down, and also the drain plug. So if you're going to wash anything up outside, get it aired up, filled up, use it to wash. Whenever you're ready to drain it, pull it out. That could either drain out onto the ground, or you can drain it into the bucket and then just empty it out depending on where you are. This little collapsible trash can is kind of cool. You can either open it up halfway like that, or you can pop it all the way open and have a trash bag in there. So it's a bigger trash bag. It even gives you a little lip onto the edge to help seal down the trash bag once it's on there. So that's really cool. When you're done using it, just kind of claps that back in. Casters on the bottom. You have the locking casters on this one side. So once you get it where you're going, you can lock that down. So all in all, a really versatile outdoor cart that can be used pretty much in any occasion.